If you don't like dealing with confusing menus but still want perfect videos, then stick around. We'll show you how to change your aspect ratio in CapCut. Easy peasy. Let's start with the CapCut mobile app. Open your project and tap on the video clip in the timeline. Now find and tap the aspect ratio button at the bottom right. Choose a preset aspect ratio like 9, 16 for TikTok, 16, 9 for YouTube, or 1 for Instagram. Adjust your video by pinching to zoom and dragging to position it just right. Tap the check mark to confirm. On the desktop version, open your project and select your clip on the timeline. Click the ratio drop-down above the timeline. Pick your desired aspect ratio. Use scale and position in the basic settings to fit your video perfectly within the frame. Or use the crop tool for precise adjustments. And that's it. Your video is ready to shine on any platform.